This morning we're going to learn how to use the in operator in MongoDB with letters. And when we deal with letters, we're dealing with strings. So very similar to the video involving numbers, the difference is now we're going to be using strings and we're going to be looking at an array of letter values, or string values I should say. So the first thing we want to do here is we want to look at our collection SQL Server, and we're going to be looking at the key financial. And you'll notice we have stocks and we have bonds and we have futures. And so what we want to do here is we want to look for all of the values that are in either stocks or bonds. So we're going to call our find clause here, and we're going to look at financial, except I need to open a bracket, financial, and then we're going to call the in operator, which is $in, and then we're going to open basically our array, and we're going to say stocks, and we're going to wrap that in quotes because it is in quotes. And then we're going to say bonds, or I'm sorry, type bonds, and wrap that in quotes because it is in quotes. And then we're going to close the brackets. And so basically we're looking at the key financial. We're specifying that this is the equivalent to the where clause. And we're saying where financial, the values of financial, are in either stocks or bonds. And you will see that we get stocks, bonds. We do not get futures. Now, let's suppose that we didn't put the quotation marks around the values bonds and stocks. Now these are strings, and so we always want to wrap them in quotes, and we would get a reference error. Stocks is not defined. So if the values under the key are wrapped in quotes, they're strings, and you want to treat them as such. If you do not, then of course you will receive errors.